Good morning everyone, welcome to my training session. In this training I am going to design a T-shaped RCC concrete beam using StatiCa software concrete application. Hope you follow me step by step and please feel free to ask any question under the YouTube description. As you see, my application is open. I just click to the concrete. From here I click to the beam. The next operation I click to the new. There is multiple thing to select, but in my case I want to design the reinforced concrete beam. It's the single beam, grade and top surface, bottom surface, okay. And the revolution to top and bottom, the support position on the bottom surface and the beam alignment in the top. Just I click next. From here I can select the type of support. My beam will be pen in one side and ruler support and another side, or I can use the rigid in one side and ruler another side, static indeterminate. But there's a lot of options, but I select that and I want to see my beam in 3D. Just the length is 9 meters and you can decrease if you want. I just selected 9 meters. Here is the concrete code, design code, and you can change it as your country region code and national annex. And this is for the working life. The design working life is 50 years, and the last we can select our section. I just select this section. I would like to add the bottom thickness 250 and the height maybe I will 600, and this wall I want to have a 300. And we can change from here the concrete. The load is, we have permanent load 10 kg, 10 kilonewton. Also we have a variable load, kilonewton per meter, 15. And we can, if we want, we can change that and click the finish. Now as you look, my structures in 3D it show the first from project data. Here is something we should do. We can put some project name, project number, author, description and the date. But it's training, I don't like to use my time. And the section earlier we looked the section. From here also you can change the cross section, and the material is also we have in the first step, we can change that. And we can see the geometry, the next step. Then geometry is, we look now, it's the support and the show which kind of support we have, and we can see the in the bottom also the support information. The other things, we can go to the load cases. The load cases we are adding our structure. We can go to the point load. We don't have any point load, and if we go here for the load, there is no point load. If we go to the load cases, for example, if I go to the load pattern, here is the load combination. Here is the PC factor, and if I go to the load cases, it should be shown here. You can see this is my load cases. This is the 10 kg, the additional dead load, and we have the self-weight of our structure. That's the load, and we can see the line load, settlement, everything, and combination. combination here also, according which combination we are designing our structure. That's the first step. The second step, we can move to the, we are not checked right now the, from here we not check the result, and we can move the concrete design idea, and we can go to the data first. From data we can add some, you know, we can add our we can environment class, in which environment class we are located. We can just add it from here, but we can add here, and we can add the relative humidity here, and we can move to the next point. And the next point, if you look, we have a three different section, but we have one beam. But I would like to delete all of this. I want to keep one cross section. I want to add some reinforcement and start to my design. Now I want to add my rebar. I click to the edit. From here we have finished template. I just click that and make some adjustment if I want. I want to keep it as it is. Maybe I can add the H bar 1 and click OK. Now as you look, my rebar is now applied. Just I want to check change this to 4. Click OK. You can see we have a 4 in here and 6 in here and 6 in the top. But I would like to have not 6, but want to have 5 in here. Instead of 6, I would like to have a 5 number and click OK. But it was I was not able to change it. I keep it as it is. Now we can edit it after the run calculation. Now my cross section is ready. I would like to run my calculation. I click to the start calculation all. Now my design is passed. We can look here. Everything is looking perfect. The crack width, stress limit, interaction, torsion, shear, capacity of movement. The past, the utilization is completely fine, but we have something is we can do. We can check it. Distribution and reduction. I can check that. But let's go to the now reaction force. I would like to check the result from here. Now we can see we have a reaction force 185.2 kilonewton, and we can check the deformation. Deformation we can check always with surfaceability, limited state, and characteristics. Or COSI, we can say we have 10 mm, and we can say in the concrete we are using 8 is in the COSI, and we can 7 is in COSI and 8 is in the frequent. But anyway, it's not very high, and we can check from here also. We can use the check the according the fundamental. We can check the all forces from here. Again, if I go to the internal forces, from here I can check the shear force, normal forces, and Vz is the shear force, is 185.2 is correct, and we can check the MY. This is the moment of 416.7. This is my moment, and we can check the result also if you want. We can check the result from here. You can go to check this interaction, and we can check the stress, and everything is looking in the below, and we can click here and say the result one by one, and crack weight also. Anyway, it's now it's finished. It's one operation is finished, and we can print if we want. We can just click the print, and we can print our structure. Now it's ready, and we can just print it and add it on our documentation. But one thing we are missing. What we are missing, I would like to show you that, and we can go again to the result. Let me check the code check, because that's very important, because we have some warning here. We can go to the code check. We can try to finish this process also, and we can click that. The code check will be open very soon. Now it's open. We can run again according to our code. We have a lot of chapter here. According to our code, we can check the all demand. Just I want to calculate again to check. If you look, everything is now passed. There is no any error. We are achieve our goal, and now we can just print with detail our structure or our beam. That's the last part of our design. The design is successfully completed. Yeah, there is some warning. There is no, just there is warning. You can check according to code manually, but we are in the safe side, and everything is looking green. That's not a big issue, but now everything is perfect. You can print it, but if I go back here, also I will show you one thing more. If I'm going to again to I close that. If I'm clicking to this, I can print it as a PNG if I want. Also, I can create it as a DVG also. But that was all for today. If you want to learn more about StatiCa, I highly recommend you. Please visit StatiCa website, and just stay update always, and you can just go in StatiCa website and look for the webinar on YouTube, and read some article, academic article. And if you are a student or structure designer, a student can apply for a student license, and designer can apply for 14 days trial, and after the test version, trial version, you can purchase full program. Thank you so much. Hope you see you in upcoming episode. Bye.